Hello students, you are most welcome in PAS Institute. Myself Dr. Umaru, Assistant Professor of Political Science. Dear student, today we are discuss about the important topic of political science, political theory. The topic name is Gandhism. So what is the meaning of Gandhism? What is the meaning of Gandhism? Gandhism is the main ideas of Mahatma Gandhi. It is a simple definition of Gandhism. What is the meaning of Gandhism? Gandhism is the main ideas of Mahatma Gandhi. Okay, student. Now we are discuss about the important main ideas of Mahatma Gandhi ji. One by one. Number one is Satyagraha. Number one is Satyagraha. What is the meaning of Satyagraha? What is the meaning of Satyagraha? According to the Mahatma Gandhi ji, the meaning of Satyagraha is that follow the truth. Follow the truth in anyhow condition. Follow the truth in anyhow condition. And against the lie. It is called to Satyagraha. And according to the Mahatma Gandhi ji, the reflection of the Satyagraha in the life of Satyagrahi is important. So the Satyagrahi basically believe in the truth, because according to the Mahatma Gandhi ji, truth is the God and God is the truth. The truth is the symbol of the God. So Satyagrahi always in any condition believe in the truth. Okay, student. The second point is non-violence. Non-violence. What is the meaning of non-violence? The simplest meaning of non-violence is that always against the any type of violence. Always against the violence. It is called to non-violence. And according to the Mahatma Gandhi ji, the violence is two types. The two types of violence according to the Mahatma Gandhi ji. Number one is physical violence. Physical violence. And number two is psychological violence or mental violence. Clear? So Mahatma Gandhi always against the two types of violence, physical violence and mental violence. But in some condition, Mahatma Gandhi believe in the violence in some condition when the prevention of our life from some threats, from some dangers. Clear? But Gandhiji always believe in the non-violence. So Satyagrahi believe in the non-violence. Okay, student. Next point is the theory of trustship. The theory of trustship. What is the meaning of trustship? According to the Mahatma Gandhi ji, the trustship theory believe in the giving the money, giving the economic sources to the poor people of the country and social welfare, making of the trust by the rich people of the country for the help of the poor people of the country, and reduce the poverty by this trust. Okay, so trustship theory basically believe in the control on the our expenses and control on the our expensive and using the limited sources for our basic needs by the rich peoples, and giving the extra money to the trust, and giving the extra money to the trust for the social welfare, of the poor people of the country. Next point is self-control. Brahmacharya. What is the meaning of self-control? Self-control basically against the desire. Control your desire. It is called to Brahmacharya. Control your desire is called to Brahmacharya or self-control. So Mahatma Gandhi believe in the self-control, and he always quoted that Satyagrahi believe in the non-violence, Satyagrahi believe in the trustship, and Satyagrahi believe in the self-control. Satyagrahi believe in the Brahmacharya. Okay. And what is the meaning of self-control, Brahmacharya? Always against the desire. Control your desire. Control your physical desire. Control your psychological desire. Okay. The next is fasting. Use the fasting. Achieve your goal. Use the fasting. Achieve your goal. And uses the fasting. It is the main resources of the Mahatma Gandhi ideas, Gandhism. And Satyagrahi also use the fasting, the uses of the non-violence, by the using of non-violence. Next point, economic ideas. Mahatma Gandhi always believe in the Swadeshi. What is the meaning of Swadeshi? Believe in the Make in India, against the Western culture, against the Western food, habits and Western wears, clothes. So what is the Swadeshi? Uses of the domestic products. For example, Mahatma Gandhi always emphasize on the use of the khadi. Clear? And uses of the charkha, because Swadeshi growth our domestic business. He always believe in the growth of the handicrafts. Okay, students. And always Mahatma Gandhi always against the machines, industrialization. He believes that machines basically create the new problem. The new problem is called to unemployment. So Mahatma Gandhi always against the machinism, because machines, industrialization create the problem of unemployment, and the problem of unemployment create the poverty. Clear? And last point is Gram Swaraj. What is the Gram Swaraj? Gram means village, Swaraj means independence. So freedom, independence in villages. Basically Gram Swaraj basically emphasizes on the Panchayat system, decentralization and local administration. For example, establishment of the Panchayat Samiti, etc. And last point is strike. Strike basically Mahatma Gandhi emphasized on the strike for the demands of the laborers. But he always believed in the strike, but by the non-violence. He always against the violence uses in the strike. Clear? So Mahatma Gandhi always against the violent strike, but he always believed in the non-violent strike for the rights of the laborers. Okay, students. So these are the main ideas of the Gandhism. What is the meaning of Gandhism? Gandhism is the main ideas of Mahatma Gandhi. Number one is Satyagraha. Satyagraha, he believed in the anyhow condition truth. Follow the truth against the lie. Second, non-violence, against the two types of violence, against the violence, physical violence and the mental violence. Okay. Third is trustship, given the extra money to the society, given that extra money to the trust for the social welfare. Self-control, brahmacharya, control your own desire. Gram Swaraj, local administration, the powerful villages, democracy in the villages. Economic ideas, Swadeshi, believe in the making India products, against the industrialization, and believe in the local domestic businesses, handicrafts, and uses of the khadi, and believe in the Indian culture. And Mahatma Gandhi always emphasized on the Indian culture, Indian foods and habits, and believe in the fasting uses of the violence for achieve your goal. Clear? Because fasting, according to Mahatma Gandhi, basically believe in the fasting change the mind your enemy. Clear? Fasting change the mind of your enemy. It is your victory without use of the violence. And strike basically the right of the strike basically emphasizes on the achieve the right of the laborers by the non-violence, and strike basically emphasizes on the not work by the laborers in particular company or factory. Okay, student. So these are the important ideas of Mahatma Gandhi. It is called to Gandhism. Okay, student. So please like and share this video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.